Hey guys, welcome to Crypto FOMO for Life. If you're like me and can't stop FOMOing into crypto, you've come to the right place. I just want to share some quick technical analysis. As you can see, I've got 3 successful trades open at the moment. I highly recommend this only for the experienced traders and not for the faint-hearted. And I highly recommend not using 14x leverage. I only dabble with about 1% of my portfolio, and I don't have a great deal of time to day trade. And I found a strategy that works for me. I'll be willing to share it with some of you guys in the future as we go forward. But it's only a very short term that I've been making profit, and it is very high risk. And I highly do not. Like I said, I only recommend it for the experienced traders. And I can also share a link down at the bottom for any of you that are interested in Bybit and using leverage trading. As you can see, I've got ETH US dollar that's sitting at 62% in profit to 88, and then I've got Bitcoin over USDT, which is about 170, and then I've got Bitcoin US dollar where I'm about $380 in profit. And I don't know if anyone's been watching the charts today, but everyone thought it was going to 37, 38k, which I thought was an absolute joke. It's like when we were down at 30 and everyone was calling 24, 25, 26, and we touched about 29, and I wish I could have showed you the long that I had that day. I actually had a long that went from 29k all the way to 45, and it was 22x leverages as well. So that was a nice juicy trade. And the funny thing was, I only put $50 in and got 500. So I only put in leverage what I can afford to lose. Anyway, we'll go over to TradingView. Any of you that aren't familiar with TradingView, I'll also leave a link below. As you can see here, I've started this. I wanted to show you guys the rest. All right, so we've got second quarter, and then we've got third quarter, right? I apologize for you guys. I am a little bit slow charting. I just don't have all the hotkeys down pat yet. And what you can see it is here is when we've come down from the all-time high, 64. We touched around about, we wicked down to, it was about 28. But we did close it at like 36. But to me, that still is a bottom. So we got one. I also count this as one as well, just because that was pretty low, because we came back from around about 42 or something. They were crazy times, so we used it around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then we've had liftoff, right? And then we've come over here, and then we've had a sell-off again, right? So then we'll go down in the shorter time frame, just because it is a bit easy to see. So I'll go back and just show what I forgot to mention. This to me is a nice accumulation phase, right? And then I feel like that we've gone back into a mini one. This was a 3-month accumulation phase, but I feel like we've just gone back into a monthly accumulation phase. Because look, people are going to take profits, right? It's about winning it, and winning more than you're losing it. And people need to take profits, especially these professional traders who already have a lot of money. They're going to constantly take profit. So, the market is going to come back down. It's going to come back down to reality, So, for all those moon boys out there, I do apologise that we haven't gone to the moon yet, but I am hoping that we do go to the moon. Anyway, so we got one, and then we bottomed out around, I believe that, yep. And then we had another. It kind of came back up there. Wait, sorry, I'm still on the daily. That's why I can't say that. And so we have 1, 2. Remember, this is just speculation, guys. So 1, 2, and we've just taken off now. I actually had this worked out before we took off. We're back over 43, which everyone said we're going to 38 today, which I laughed. It was like history rhymes all over again. It was like we were months ago, and everyone thought we're 26, and I was on that bandwagon. I had all these buy orders set for 24, 25, 26, and they never came. I managed to get back in heavy around 31.8. Yeah, but if I just believed in my own speculation, I probably could have got in better position about 29. I did I think I mentioned earlier, I had a nice juicy long from about 29 all the way up to about 45. And here we go. I'm just rambling now. So we got 1, 2. You could count that as free, right? Whatever, you know. Bit of Kermit the Frog there, or whatever you want to call it. But so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You could count that as a little, you know. Anyway, and then we got 5, and then we're off to the races again. And here we are. We've got this nice juicy candle right here. And I'm just praying that we go back up over the 21-week moving average, which is it's about around about 44, 45. I haven't had a look for a while. Anyway, that's just what I wanted to share with you guys today. So we'll go back out to the daily, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lift off, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then lift off. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and thanks for coming to watch. I hope you have a good day, and happy farm mowing, guys. I hope you win. Bye. Ciao.